This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 3709 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features a Bahama Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, water heater, awning, TV antenna, TV, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, stove top burner, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 3709 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.